going to come and touch what's in the bag. Shh. And they're going to describe it to us. Okay? All right, are you ready? All right, so Andrea, close your eyes. I'll walk you over. In your hand. Do not get scared. What is that? What's that? You can open your eyes. What is it? It's water. Can you tell me a little bit more about the water? Is it hot? Is it, what's it like? Is it hot? Or is it room temperature? She's right. It is water. It's at room temperature, okay? And now, Rebecca, close your eyes. Close your eyes. What's that? Ice. So can you tell me a little more about what you felt there? Excuse me. Can you tell me how you feel? Does it feel hot? Does it feel cold? It feels cold. Who's talking? Just stop making the noises. That's all I'm going to ask. Miriam, put your chair down. Put the chair down. All the way down. So, can you give me another description? Like soft, hard, hard. How was yours? Soft, hard, soft, right? So we start looking at that when we have items, and if we look at them, we really can just see that, well, I know it's ice. But unless I touch it, I don't know that it's a solid. And I don't know that if it's cold. Okay? So this is what we're going to do. Now that they've done those two as our examples, I am going to jot down our observations of what you just did. We're going to be our experiments. You're going to stay right here. So what we have here is, what is it that we touched inside the bag? And what you're going to write here is your guess. What you think you're touching. So you immediately knew it was ice, and you immediately knew it was water. Now, what could it have been? Coca-Cola? Could it have been juice? Right? But you knew it was a liquid. So then you would put here water, and you said ice. You said water, it was liquidy, and it was soft. Okay, and you said cold and hard, right? So if you don't know how to spell these words, all the words I have are down here, the ones that we just learned today or reviewed today. And then at the end of this, we're going to look inside the bag and finally determine what it is, if you were right or you were wrong. But it was just a guessing game, okay? So thank you, ladies, for being our wonderful volunteers. You may go back to your chair. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to hand out two, excuse me. Excuse me. If you're talking, you're not going to hear my instructions, and then you're going to be lost. I'm going to give two of the packages per buckets, or whatever. Two little things like this, I'll show you, in each, to each table. Right? No, they're not part of your math. They're not buttons, but there's other stuff in here that I want you to check. Okay. Stay with me. I'm going to put two per table, and you're going to create two teams. So like this table has 6 people. You can create a team of 3 and 3. And then you're going to write your names down here and write. One moment, not yet.
This is one.
Okay? These 3. You 3, and you 2. Okay?
Right?
All right.
You need to take.
You're going to be group A, why?
But you're me and Martina's team.
I'm
your team. I'm on
Group
your team.
A, 2.
No. Like this, right?
Nope,
Your
nope,
group
nope, not
B,
that team. It wasn't
excuse
that.
me. Let's keep it quiet. I'm going to do this. Okay?
And you said you was on that team.